everyone, this is for Lisa here with Homebody. I know I've been missing in action, but I didn't want to let the year end without posting one final video. And of course, in my most favorite room of our home. Hope that everyone enjoyed their Christmas and looking forward to a new year. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a brief overview of what I have going on here in our living room at the end of the year and for the first of the new year. I'm going to start over on this side of the room. The curtains are from Amazon. The chair is from Style Up Corp. The pillow is from Z Gallery. The robe from Home Goods. End table and the accent table. End table from Homary. Accent table from Z Gallery. The flowers is from Z Gallery as well. The mirror, the beautiful mirror, is from Ross. And these beautiful frames right here are actually Dollar Tree frames that I'm using as a curtain tie back. And these are picks or sticks that I had from a previous curtain tie back set that I had before. This vase is a gift, and I think you can get your hands on this vase from Amazon. If so, I'm going to place a link to it below so that you can check it out. My rug is from Well Woven. You can also get your hands on that from Amazon. I'll place a link below to that. Pillows are from Z Gallery. My wall sconces are from Z Gallery. This super cute wall art here is from Burlington, and it kind of giving off green tones, but when I pair it with the gray, you can also get some gray tones out of it. So I'm loving the look that is giving me with this color scheme that I have going on. The lamps are from Home Goods. What I really like about these lamps is that I'm turning the wrong side. Is you can charge your phone. It has this USB charging station at the back, and I think that's neat. Moving over on this side, my most famous mirror that I've had on my wall for some years, and I refuse to take it off, is going to have to be a beautiful mirror in order for me to take this mirror down and change it, because I'm in love with this mirror. It's from Z Gallery. The books was gifted to me by a young lady over on Instagram. These vases are from Home Goods. My fireplace is from Wayfair. Let me tell you, this fireplace actually came out of my master bedroom, but I bought it in here for the fall and for Christmas and winter. What I really like about this fireplace is the sleekness, the slimness of it. It's very narrow, if you notice. And it fits so perfect in my master bedroom, in the space that I have it on. And I have it on just the fire scenery. It's not putting out any heat or anything like that. Again, end tables are from Homary. This little plant stand from CB2. The flower is from Ross. And my, what is that? Ginger jar is from Home Goods. Now, my jar here is also from Home Goods. My table is from Z Gallery. The boxes here is from CB2. And this decorative object here is from Z Gallery. Of course, my beautiful chandelier is from ET2 Lighting. They gifted me that over on Instagram. So if I don't talk to you guys before the end of the year, I wish you all a happy, safe new year. Please be safe. Kiss your family, tell them you love them. Put God first and take care of yourself. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.